Magandang hapon mga kaibigan. So ngayon is tapos ng trabaho, Friday 3:30 na uwi tayo. Pero ngayon try sa Calo Tire kasi itong gulong kasalian may humming sound. Sabi ng mechanic sa akin, bago magpalit ang bearing, ipaano muna tire rotation para medyo mura. So tara, sama sa Calo Tire. Pala yung temperature is plus 32, ayun, no? Sabi ng gauge natin, mainit siya. Parang nasa Pinas. So tara, let's go to Calo Tire, sama kayo. Yung Calo Tire mga kaibigan, mga 10 minutes lang mula sa work namin. Kasi wala naman traffic dito eh. Dito sa lugar namin bawal traffic, hindi uso traffic dito. Kaya medyo malapit lang siya. Yung weather maganda, pero may kainitan. Yung sa gawing kanan, yun yung mga ginagawa namin mga kaibigan. Mga conveyor, ayan o, mga tayo sa gawing kanan. Mga post pounder, grain back. Yan mga ginagawa namin. Conveyor. Meron mga grains. Yung gulong ko sa Solian, pag tumatakbo ng mga 60 o 70, meron humming sound, maingay. So sabi ng mekaniko, para medyo makamura ako, paano mo na tire rotation bago magpalit ng bearing sa differential, kasi medyo mahal yun eh. Sabi niya, kung gusto mo ng cheapest way, tire rotation mo na. Kasi sabi niya yung gulong ko hindi na pantay. Pero itong traka to, bagong alignment to, mga 2 weeks ago. Traffic dito mga kaibigan, di uso. Ito lang traffic dito pag mayroong tren. Diyan o. Pag may tren, may stock ka dyan. Kaya pag mag-elip ka mahirap kasi marami pa diretso. Kaya dito ang mga traffic pag may tren. Pero bihira naman, hindi man panay bihira lang. Dito yung weather, mainit. Masarap sana sa lake. Fishing, tsaka swimming. Pero sure yan, marami mag-fishing tsaka swimming kasi sa Monday, long weekend sa Monday. Marami mag-outdoor. Yung Calo Tire mga kaibigan, suki na ako. Basta sa mga gulong, hindi na ako lagi pupunta sa Calo Tire. Okay naman yung service nila eh. Maganda naman. Ayun, wala masyadong kotse, no? Konti-konti lang. Ano pag Sunday yan, parang ghost town. Ano yun, Friday na nga po yun, 3:40. Pero sa downtown ba, medyo may mga kotse sila downtown. Labas siya ring araw, mainit. May konting hangin siya kaya medyo okay lang. Ito yung pinaka-downtown na sip ka rin. Northwest side downtown. Northwest. Yung Calter malapit na. Mag-ride ng Calter. Calter. Tayo mo park sa anong gilid ang kalaban. So sabi ng Calter, hindi ka kaya na rotation kasi yung thread ka pantay daw. Harap sa likod pantay daw. So hindi kailangan rotation. So very good. Tara, let's go home.
Sirius XM Fly, a channel featuring hip-hop and R&B from the 90s and 2000s. So listen to Sirius XM Fly.
Let's go mga kaibigan. Hindi raw kailangan ng rotation. Sabi ng Calter. Sabi nga, save your money, you don't need the rotation. Kasi nga yung mga thread ka raw sa likod, parehas daw.
Ad-free music made for everything you do. Mashup channels, workout channels, channels for parties, or just chilling out and more. Expertly curated for any mood, occasion, or activity. Extra channels let you discover new music and enjoy even more variety from every decade and music style you love.
So malamang may problema yung bearing natin sa differential. Kasi may humming sound eh. Yung gulong, sabi ng Calter, pantay naman yung gulong daw. Pantay yung thread, yung kaya ng gulong, pantay.
Plus fees and taxes. Call 844-711-8800 to find out more about these amazing offers.
Find your groove. With summer dance sounds in the SiriusXM app. The party never stops on new channel Sounds of Ibiza. Summer house throwbacks play on Utopia. Or lounge to poolside vibes from chill. Find it on the SiriusXM app. Tap in, turn up.
Matrabaho kasing ganyan yung differential bearing. Yung fluid, kailangan i-flush yung fluid. Tapos kailangan buksan yung side na differential para may lane bearing. Mahal na yun, mahal.
You never have to miss your favorite SiriusXM programs or commercial-free music. Find the SiriusXM app in the App Store or call 844-18800 or channel that explodes with pretty guitar. SiriusXM.com/go to sign up quickly.
Let's go home and have some coffee.
Our greatest contact opportunities. Concert recordings through on 8800 and become a VIP. Offer details apply. Not available in Canada.
SiriusXM Tropics is a melting pot of rhythms from Africa, the Caribbean, and beyond. It's a way to tropics, one of more than 200 extra channels available in the
Visit www.SiriusXM online quickly and activate your radio. If you haven't subscribed to SiriusXM yet, you're missing out on over 140 channels of sports, news, talk, and entertainment. Get play-by-play from your favorite music, commercial-free, and person. Unlock it all at www.SiriusXM. From idol to idol. Country superstar Carrie Underwood shares her music, influences, and inspirations on her SiriusXM channel.
Lesson in good music. Country music, rock music, classic country, new favorites, and everything in between.
To listen to Carrie's Country, activate your subscription now by calling 844-711-8800 or head over to SiriusXM.com to sign up
We're home
quickly.
mga kaibigan. Sa bayan na, sa bayan na.
Amazing moments happen so much at SiriusXM. We want you to see them. SiriusXM Video lets you watch your
So yun lang mga kaibigan. Kala ko kasi makapag-rotation. Hindi pala. Hindi na kailangan. So hanggang dito lang mga kaibigan. Thanks for watching my vlog. Have a good day. Bye for now.